I come across this guy's video, and I just did my classic harmonic search just to debunk this harmonic Fibonacci bullshit that people are all like Gartley, and this thing is hilarious. This guy here, so I come across his video, and I said, what a fucking joke. So that's what he said on my video. So I go look at this video again, and I never made it through this far, and I didn't even have to test this to show how fucked up this is. Here's this, listen to what this guy says. Now, he's been Gartley-fied, or he's got Batwing on the brain. This is the cutest video in the world.
Okay, so we brought this over to the right. So we're looking for it to get to 1618 or 1.127 pattern. Okay, so we get our triangle tool again, and we hit it here, here, and we go up to this one here, which is 1.270.
So he's giving different targets. We can go here 50 pips away from each other, different targets. In his video here, he says, this video describes how you can literally predict where price will go based on where it has been. What complete bullshit. I mean, this in this trade, just this, what he's doing this never works out.
Okay, if it comes up to here, then it's definitely a butterfly pattern. Definitely a butterfly pattern.
Easy for him to say.
Okay, I'll show you guys again.
There's another reason why you don't want to trade these patterns. It's too hard. There's too many syllables. Cipher, I guess you could do that. Butterfly, difficult.
So it's either going to be a 127, one.
And I think this is why I pissed him off. See this bat he's got here? Wow. Yeah, there's no Gartley. There's no animal called the Gartley. And look at all these. All this is a double top that's offset. It's just a swing high. Why do people want to put all this mysticism behind these things?
1.618, or it could be a crab. Early, it could be a crab. It could be
a dog's foot.
A butterfly.
Oh, I think it's a gnat. If you zoom in real close, it kind of looks like a mosquito.
But what I think it's going to be is, with regard to it, this leg here.
Because you see how this is so mentally disturbing. Not only is he trying to figure out how he's going to predict the price, he's not sure, like, if he wants to go with a bat or he wants to go with a cipher. It's just hilarious.
Going up, this middle leg going up to 382. It's going to be a crab. There it is, 382. This went up to 382. So it's going to be a crab formation. It's not going to be.
He's already decided it's going to be a crab. I like, you know, I mean, lobster tails can be tough, but yeah, king crab legs. So I'm all over that. Some drawn butter, please.
A butterfly is not going to be a Gartley. It's going to be a crab.
Isn't there a song, Dog and the Butterfly? Yeah, it's like from the 70s.
Formation. All right. So it retraced here at 382. So it's definitely going to be a crab formation. All right.
Definitely a crab. And can I get some linguine on the side?
All right. This is not a crab, so it's definitely going up to 1.618.
It's definitely going up to 1.618. It has to. These are Fibonacci numbers, people.
No question.
No question.
No question on USD yen.
No question. USD yen. I've got the chart up. It never made it there. Trust me, it never made it there. I can prove it to you right now. June 2016.
It's going to go up to about 106.928.
Okay, let's take a look at that. 106.928. 09er, can we get a read on that? So yeah, here's the pattern. Now, it looks a little different than his chart because I don't have all those fancy things going on. But here's the double top. Let's see if I can get to his X leg thing. Yeah, he's 106.98, right? So let's take a 106.98, June 13th, 2016. It's way up here, right? It's almost 107. Never made it there. What did happen though, and this is why I keep saying tops become bottoms and bottoms become tops, because price matters. And why does the market do what it does? It's not that the market likes to be a butterfly or a bat wing. It's that tops become bottoms and bottoms become tops. And the people that bought, just, when I say people, I mean institutions, whatever have you. When it goes the other way, they gotta get the fuck out. And so, right here, I mean, does this take like brain? Do you have to have a? You don't need a bat wing for this. This bottom became a top here. Okay, this bottom became a top. Whereas he pointing out, he built his batwing cipher off of this nonsense, and he goes, it's definitely got to come back up to here, right, to complete his crab wing or his Caesar salad, and so it never makes it there, right? Now, I don't know how, now this guy might be making money just by the sheer fact that he's using tight stops, right? I mean, I've proven that in this demo, that if I just put in a tight stop and trade like a rape date, I can make money at a 48% win rate. And why does the market keep banging on this price for the sells? And why should you have your sell limits there? And why should you consider that to be resistance and this be support and this be the trap? This is the double bottom trap trade. Now, I'm sure that given enough time and enough bat wings and enough Gartleys and enough butterflies and enough electric eels that you could get these things to queue up on here. But why would you? He had to go refer to his chart of, it was like the periodic chart of wild animal patterns. It was like a zoo. I felt like I was in a zoo for a second there. But you can go check it. I'll put the link to his video that I told him what a fucking joke. So he unoriginally said, oh, what a fucking joke, right? And I called it, and then I said, I want to watch just one of the videos. He says, well, I got this anchor trade. I'm short from here, so I'm just going to leave that trade in there and just add. Well, yeah, he's just scaling, but the anchor trade, pretty funny. Psychological. Quite a trip, though, looking at this. Very entertaining.
That's where it's going to go, up in that area there. Okay, and then it's going to retrace and go back downtrend.
Oh, this is the classic. Not only is it going to go up there, but it's going to come back down. And so if it's going to go up there, why don't you fucking buy it and ride it up there? This is what really kills me about these guys. And he didn't buy it and ride it up there, but he's so certain it's going to go up there, and he knows it's not this, and he knows it's not that, and it's this, and it's that. Come on, man. It's just, how is this not... What is it about this Fibonacci stuff that people are just... But, of course, you don't forget, there's people that think the horoscopes making the sun come up.
Okay, why? Because if you look here, again, I'm going to go back here. On the crab pattern here, it goes up to 38.2.
See, he's transfixed on these numbers like they mean something. It's complete bullshit. This is a Rorschach test.
It goes up to 38.2. See that? This one here goes up to 1.618. But on our particular pattern, it went up to 382. So that tells me for sure, no doubt.
No doubt. No, this is just... Wow, how does this even... This is probably the most dangerous thing you can have, is this. No doubt, man. I mean, if that was true, then why don't you buy it and ride it up there?
That this is going to be a bearish crab pattern. What's going to happen is going to go up to 1.618, then it's going to drop. Okay? At that price I just showed you. Okay?
It's not. It never did. Check it. This is, I looked zoomed in a chart here. It's a 1 hour chart. It just didn't happen. You can see right here why this is complete garbage. This bottom becomes this top. Right? Can't you just see the structure here? Bottom becomes a top. Here's a trap trade. And why does the market why are there buyers coming here? Because it's new lows, right? There's liquidity, it jumps up. It's never going to make it up there. And even if it did, if he's so fucking certain, how come he's not buying like he's not betting the ranch and riding it up to there and then trading it back down? Can that somebody explain that to me, please? Why is that not the case then? If he's so correct.
So this is what you do. You keep that in. You keep it in just like that. Don't move it. You leave that in, and that's your trade setup here. Before it even happens, this is going to go up to here, and in this.
That's before it even happens. Of course, put a limit order up there. But you wouldn't have got filled. And are you missing all the really stupid easy trades? Look at this thing. Bullish, bearish. Oh my God, bat. Guard cipher.
Area here is going to reverse and drop back down. Okay, so I'm in on this trade here because it came in at the 38 around the 38.2 retracement here, and I came in on the buy, and I'm still in on this buy, and I'm going to keep this buy in until it hits here.
Oh, so he is going to trade it up to there.
That'll be a profit about $40.
Okay, let's see how that worked. Now, so C wave here is over here. He got in here on this ride up. And so he's in off of that part. It's hard to flip back between these two charts. So here is the swing low. Here's the trap trade. You have double top, and then you have a trap. So where's that land on the chart? Here's a double top. Here's the trap. You ride it up to here. Now notice where it came to. It came to this floor here. And I don't know what it never made it up to this number he's talking about, this fantasy number. But that just goes to show you how ridiculous, and not to mention all the expectations. And maybe he knows it's bullshit.
Okay, so I have that in, and then I'm going to watch this trade. I'm going to watch it as it comes back up to this area here.
I like when people say they're going to watch. I'm going to watch that trade. What, and shit your pants?
And then drops back down. So based on this 38.2 right here, it retracing right here at 38.2. Let me zoom in again, let you see. Right here, the price went up to 38.2 or 382, just like in this pattern here. All right, so that's what it did. It went up to 382 and it's bounced back down. This is 382 here, and it bounced back down to 382 again. And now it's going up to 1.618. Then it's going to reverse and drop down. Okay.
But why did it go to this price? Because that was the floor. Bottoms become tops. That was the floor. People that bought that thing was going to go the moon. There's a reason for these moves. It's not mysticism. This is the resistance. This bottom becomes a top. It has nothing to do with Fibonacci. It just doesn't. If anybody can prove the Fibonacci, I'm still waiting for the guy that says, oh, look at this Gartley, totally works out. If that was true, we would just program we would just write an EA for it. Wouldn't we just walk away and let it go? Let it just churn? It's not like that. It wouldn't be like that for anything in Mother Nature. The squirrels that cross the road over here, I cannot get these things. I can't predict the path he's going to take. And I know kind of where he's going to run. I can't predict that. Are you nuts?
All right. So we'll get more into this in the sessions. I just want to put a quick video together to show you guys exactly how you can, how I'm going to be teaching you guys how to take these trades and predict the price movement to a certain point, get back in on the trade for the sell-off.
Jesus.
Okay. All right. Same thing happened here. All right. It came up, got to a certain point here. This point tells you something. This point tells you something.
Okay. What he doesn't understand, what it's telling you, is that this floor, this is resistance now. Yeah, I'm not promising people that I can predict the market. What I'm doing is building trading platforms to trade the fucking market. So that's my 2 cents.